Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my Guyanese mango sour. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this quick video and give my video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. And also I want you guys to look up for my egg ball video because I'm going to upload both videos today, my mango sour and my egg ball and cassava ball video. So let me just show you my ingredients. Okay guys, I'm gonna make some some mango sour. I'm gonna put a little piece of cucumber inside and some garlic, a little salt and some pepper. So first thing I'm gonna do is fry up my garlic. Okay, my garlic is frying up there, so what I'm going to do now is throw in my mango and the cucumber. Stir it up. I bought these mangoes since 3 days ago to make this sour, and it was green when I bought it, but it got a little ripe now, but the more the better. The ripe the better, because I won't have to put sugar in the sour now. Let this fry up for about 2 minutes, and then you're going to add some water. Okay, I'm adding my water now, about half a cup, and you let it boil till the mango is ready for smash up easy. Okay, I'm going to put 1 cube and the 2 hot Wiri pepper. So I'm gonna stir my pot now and cover it and let it boil. I'm also doing some egg balls, so that's why I'm making my sour. But the sour is going to be in a different video because I don't want my video to be too long for you guys. So when you watch the egg ball video, you're going to have the sour video. They're going to upload it back to back. Okay guys, so my sour has been boiling for about half an hour. See? It's not lumpy anymore. So I'm going to taste it now. Okay, it tastes good, but I'm going to put a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and just stir it in. And that's it. My mango and cucumber sour, it's all finished. Let me dish it out and show you guys the end results. Okay guys, so this is my end results for my Guyanese mango sour. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick video, and please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. Also, you can leave a comment down below. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'm not going to taste the sour in this video. I'm going to taste it in the egg ball video. So look out for that as well. So thank you so much for watching my video, and see you next time. Stay blessed. Bye.